Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I know this is new. I don't normally record face-to-face intros, but for the rest of the video, since it's gonna be a DIY Christmas video, I'm so excited, but you won't be seeing much of me, mostly my hands and the projects that I'm doing. So I decided to do an intro and an outro with my face. So here we are. But anyways, you guys, I am so excited for today's video. I hope it gives you the Christmas vibes because I'm already in Christmas mode. Come November, this entire house is gonna be decorated for Christmas. And basically today we're gonna be doing DIYs with my Cricut that my husband got me for my birthday. Pillowcases, just guys, stay tuned because I did kind of a similar video before I put out all my fall decorating videos. But this one is like, that was just me getting my foot wet because I had just gotten my Cricut. Those were my first few projects. But you guys, we're gonna be duping some very popular Christmas decor, and I am so excited to decorate with these. Honestly, out of all the Christmas decor that I've already bought, the ones that I've DIY'd are my favorite. So definitely stay tuned for that. Right after this video is gonna be a haul, and then we're jumping into my Christmas decorating. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you are. But without further ado, we're gonna jump straight in.
Morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you.
So the first thing we're gonna be doing is completely transforming this spring clearance sign that I got for $5.99 at Hobby Lobby. So I wanted to really do this 'tis the season jolly sign from Kirkland's now. The Kirkland's in my area is 2 hours away. The part of New York that I live in does not have a Kirkland's. So on the Kirkland's website right now, you can only get it in store, and as well as last year when I really wanted it. So when I walked into Hobby Lobby and I saw these canvases on clearance, I just had this idea that I could paint over these. So I tried with an acrylic paint at first, and obviously painting over canvases, especially a canvas with dark colors, it was going to take multiple coats. And I just decided, I had this primer, this white spray paint / primer on hand, so I was like, maybe this will get rid of it faster, and it did. So I ended up doing one coat of that and then running to Home Depot to get a $5 can of red spray paint, and that worked out beautifully. So I did one coat of the primer and then 2 coats of the spray paint, and it was really easy. Now, one tip that I do have for you guys is when you're spray painting, don't go as close as I did. I was just trying to get it done quickly because it gives more coverage, but it does make it more splotchy. So definitely, to get a more even coat, you have to spray a little further away. It'll take more coats, but it'll be a more even and less splotchy coverage. Then for this 'tis the season sign, SVG file, which is what you need in order to transfer it to Cricut. I got this on Etsy, and I'll link all the files down below, but it's almost exact to the Kirkland sign. So I was so excited to find this. I think it was like $2.99. So I went ahead and bought this, and because it was so narrow in terms of going vertical, and my sign was a little wider, I did split it up. I had to hide some of the contours, which is basically, I took out the jolly sign, the jolly part of the sign, and then I just did 'tis the season, and then I did the jolly after. So yeah, stay tuned to see the finished product, you guys, because I'm so in love with how it turned out. I feel like I just snagged a $50 Kirkland sign on clearance for $10.
All I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so.
Now I'm just weeding, which is just taking out all of the excess pieces that you don't need, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it straight on there, and it worked out beautifully. I've noticed, I don't know if you have a Cricut and you've noticed this, but it seems to adhere better to spray paint and acrylic paint than when you're just putting it on a regular like surface, if that makes sense. I bought these wooden signs from the Target dollar spot. If you watch my pantry makeover, then you know what I'm talking about. But I tried to put my pantry sign on there with the Cricut and it just wasn't working. But I ended up spray painting that red and then it adhered perfectly. So you'll see all that. The next video after this will be a Christmas decor haul. I have so much to show you guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys all of these signs that I DIY'd, which is quite a few of them. There's 3 in this video, but I did end up DIYing a few more after this video, which I'm totally in love with. And I got some other stuff, of course, from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Target, all over the place. So that's what's going to be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, this is what I was talking about. I did 'Tis the Season and To Be Jolly separately because I think whoever created this SVG file was obviously trying to imitate the Kirkland sign in case anybody wanted to DIY it, and so they did it the same exact way. It's like directly under each other, and because my sign was wider, if it would have been like that, I would have had so much excess space. I still feel like there's excess space like in the opposite 2 corners, but I feel like doing it the way I did it took up more of the space in this canvas, and I still like it. I don't know if I want to add anything like snowflakes, or I was thinking of that, but I just think I like it simple like this. Let me know once you see the end product. Kind of decorated it for you guys just to show you how to show you the vision. But this sign is going to go above my couch. Here I am always telling you guys my plans. But yeah, I've been wanting this sign for so long for above my couch. I just love it. I think it's a perfect pop of red. I'm a traditional red and white person. I've tried the neutrals before. I just couldn't. Christmas for me is all about the reds and whites and pops of green. And so that's why I wanted this statement sign to go above my sofa.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
The next 2 signs that I snagged on clearance were like $2 to $3 each. And I had this vision for my bedroom because I do have 2 frames at the corner of my bedroom, and I obviously want to replace them because the green would not go for Christmas. So I went ahead and got these 2, and I did the same exact process for the first ones. I did the acrylic paint first because I did them all at one time, and then I spray painted. So I'm not going to show you guys the process all over again, but these SVG files that I'm using are actually from a bundle that I got. I did the same thing for fall, so I got this entire bundle, and I also did more signs from it again that are not in the video, but you guys will see in my next video. But this Santa, like, it's like a vintage Santa face. It has been so popular in mugs and in pillowcases. I actually got from my Texas house. If you know her, I love her style. She has this vintage Santa pillow, and I got that, which you guys will see in my haul, God willing. But yeah, so I definitely wanted vintage Santas all throughout my house. That's kind of my theme, is like vintage Santas. And well, I don't really have a theme, but I knew I wanted to incorporate vintage Santas this year. So here I am making one of them a vintage Santa, and on the other one, because this is going in my bedroom, I wanted something. I also like to incorporate, again, I'm Christian, so I like to incorporate things about, you know, like faith-based, and as well as like I have my nativity set and all that stuff that I'll be showing you guys. So I got this other one that was from the same bundle, and it says, "Oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining." And I thought that was good for the bedroom because 1, it's faith-based, and 2, because it has the word night in it, and bedroom and sleep. So yeah, that's what I did, and I think it looked so cool to have like one of the pictures being like text and the other one being like a silhouette picture. So definitely let me know what you guys think. I think the Kirkland sign might be my favorite, but these are definitely my second favorite.
Christmas tree, wishing all keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath
the last DIY I'm doing is a pattern block or block pattern pillow with little trees on it. So as you can see, block pattern pillows are very, very popular lately, and there's one selling on Etsy for $53, and I know that if Target makes one, it's going to be $30 or up. So I wanted to try to make one. So I went ahead and got this pillow cover for $5 at Hobby Lobby, and then an iron-on vinyl for $6, I think it was, and I got it in like this forest screen, which is kind of different from the one that I showed you, but I bought these stencils or SVG files from Cricut store itself. I don't have the subscription, but I went ahead and just put a bunch of trees in my Cricut project, and you can align them in Cricut so you can make them straight. You just place them on there, and then you go to align, and you can align them perfectly straight. So I went ahead and did that, and I ironed it on, and I'm gonna use this pillow for my console table that's upstairs. I always put like a pillow and then a basket next to it with a throw. So I want to use this there, and I'm so excited because right now, not right now, I took it down already, but for fall I had like a pumpkin block pattern one that I got from Target. So I'm so excited that I was able to DIY this. It didn't come out perfect by any means, but the mistakes are very, very, like, you can't even notice them. And it was super easy too, like super easy. The Cricut does all the work for you, so.
myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we.
So I do want to give a disclosure. I think I am leaning more towards like 99.9% sure that you're not supposed to iron directly on top of the plastic. However, all the projects that I've done so far with iron on, that's how I've done it. I think you're supposed to put like some type of special paper on top of it. I don't know. If you use Cricut, let me know. But definitely do not do what I do. And I'm just like a get it done person. Even when I hang stuff up, I will make a million holes in my wall because I don't want to just take out the leveler and take out this and that. Like, I just want to get it done. So I just got it done. I was very careful. If I felt like something was happening or I smelled something burning, I would have stopped. But yeah, definitely research it more than I did and check if you're supposed to put something on top to iron it.
Everything till we perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspo because having a Cricut, it's an expensive ticket item, but over time, it's just so worth it because you can create so much things on your own. I'm so happy with my Cricut. I'm so happy with everything that I did. Let me know down below which is your favorite. Mine is like the dupe Kirkland sign because I wanted that sign so bad last year. I couldn't find it. This year is available, but again, it's like $45, $50. So I also wanted to mention that another DIY I am doing, I might do a few, but one that I didn't get to input in this video is I went to, what is it called? The thrift store, Goodwill. Okay, I went to Goodwill looking for like Christmas type of knickknacks, and I found this pear. So it's like a ceramic pear. You guys know the song, and a partridge in a pear tree. Yeah, so that's why I picked this up, and I'm just gonna paint this either gold or like a brownish color to decorate in my kitchen with on top of my cookbooks. So you just mix it with baking soda. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not including it in this video, but that's a huge hack that I have too. If you're looking for things like that, go to Goodwill or your local thrift store and you can just paint something, make it look ceramic, make it look nice. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I will see you guys for my next video. God willing, as always, it's gonna be a Christmas decor haul. I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I got. I will be giving you guys sneak peeks and telling you guys what I plan to do with everything. But this year, we're doing 3 huge trees in here. We're decorating like every single room basically. So it's gonna be a busy season. So make sure you're subscribed. You're not gonna wanna miss any of that. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh.